update.
I asked my boyfriend to reply to a message for me and he started looking through my phone. I went to meet up with my friend that's sort of a tech whiz. She combed through my phone, laptop, and iPad and confirmed there were no bugs or anything cloning or spying through my devices. That was a relief. When I got back home he had made dinner for us, got me my favorite snacks and really wanted to talk. I was receptive to him and really thought he had thought about his actions and was ready to apologize properly. Boy was I wrong. He admitted that he was testing me. Playing manipulative mind games with me. He thought that if he made me scared about finding something out, I would break down and confess. When I didn't, and he didn't find anything on my phone, he started feeling guilty. I asked him why he just didn't come to me if he was having suspicions, and he said that that would have given me an opportunity to lie and that the way he went about it was a surefire way for me to not have any time to cover my tracks. What in a shoal. So why did he keep doubling down? Man, you're gonna have to ask him. He just said that the guilt made him do stupid things, but I didn't believe that. I asked him outright if he was cheating on me. He said no. I asked him for his phone so I could look through it, and I did. He sat there with his leg rattling under the table. I think it was nerves. Another red flag to me. I think he deleted some messages because his boys' group chat that I know for a fact he always spoke in was not there, and there were gaps in a conversation with a girl he knows I don't like because she had been texting him earlier in our relationship and he had told me not to worry about her. The messages that were there were just regular conversations, with the occasional trauma dumping from her and vice versa. Things I thought he could only felt comfortable telling me. When I asked about this he denied having anything scandalous to do with her. That she was a close friend and if he told me about him talking to her he knew I'd freak out and break up with him. I just didn't believe him. I had such a nagging feeling. I didn't want to see anymore so I just dropped the phone and my heart was breaking and breaking and breaking. He showed me that he had booked a flight to Bali for a couple's trip to show me how sorry he was. I was stunned because how can I find something booky on your phone and you confess to testing me, and you're still trying to do damage control? I told him that he hurt me badly because of his insecurities and he crossed a huge line by infringing on my privacy in such a way, not hearing my no, and I didn't think that I could continue being with him from that point on. I told him that even if I had nothing to hide, what about the privacy of my friends and the trust they had in me for their issues to not leave my own eyes? Why did he feel okay jeopardizing that for his own gain? He said he wasn't thinking about that and just begged and pleaded and said how didn't want to lose me, but it made me sick to my stomach how he felt so comfortable manipulating me. I told him he has to work on himself because I'm done trying to navigate his possessiveness and insecurity. After that, I said he could stay the night on the couch but I'd like for him to move out tomorrow. He's tried to beg and plead some more but I'm not hearing it. I didn't even have to do an ultimatum because I just wasn't interested in continuing this anymore. How do you claim to love somebody but at every turn question their motives with everybody? Especially when I never given him a reason to. It got way worse because this morning, he confessed that he cheated with the girl once in the early stages of our relationship and that was the guilt that was eating at him. He tried to lock himself in the bathroom, another one of his manipulative tactics that I realized he liked to do when something didn't go his way, lock himself in a room till I conceded, but I told him I'd call the police. I've never said that before and I guess he realized I was serious so he came out and took some things and went to his brother's.